Welcome. In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how you can change your power plan and also how you can customize this power plan. So first we have to go for the settings. Next, when we are here, we have to simply go for the system options and then go for the power and the sleep. Then pick additional power settings, and as you can see, finally we are in the power plan. So currently it's the setup, the balance. So if you want to change this plan, you can create a new one by tapping here. There's the custom plan 1. We can change the name of this one, for example, for game. Then click next to confirm. And as you can see here, we can click create. And right now we can easily switch this plan by tapping just like that. And if you want to customize one of this plan, just click here. And as you can see, at the first we can adjust turn off the display on the battery and when we are plugged in. So when we are plugged, just click never, and when you're on the battery, for example, after 1 hour. Next, when you want to put our computer to sleep on the battery, for example, after 3 hours, when we are plugged in, never. Then click to save changes. And also we can go for the advanced power settings. And so as you can see, when we are here, we can set up the background settings like the slideshow. There's the display, the sleep option, so we can hibernate. There's also the battery option. So there's the critical battery notification and battery action, the low battery level, critical battery level. So we can change it. As you can see, currently on the battery, and when you are plugged in, is only 6%, but you can change it also very easy by clicking here and then changing this value and clicking apply, then click OK, and that's all. As you can see, that's how it looks. So it's very simple, and if you find this tutorial useful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.